Um, Good to quote unquote see you again. You know what I'm going to say. This is Jose Mier, and I'm in Sun Valley, California, doing another search, trying to tell everybody all about my hometown, Sun Valley. And I came across this. Uh, I find some interesting websites in my research, but the Sun Valley, California flood factor. So this is a a website called Risk Factor, and it tells you what the risks are living in different areas. So, for it's today it's actually raining in Sun Valley, and it's in May. So we're grateful for the rain, but Sun Valley has had a history of floods, and so I was this caught my eye, just wondering how. Um, how we measure up right now. It says 1,500, almost 1,600 properties in Sun Valley have a 20%, 26% chance of being severely affected by flooding. So we still have, um, somewhat of a risk. Um, how will the risk change? Uh, I'm not sure I believe all this 1 in 100 year flood event. If that occurred today, blah, blah, blah. We've had more rain this year than we have in I don't know how long. So I think we're handling the risk pretty well. But it does, if you're in, you don't have to be in Sun Valley. You could be in your own community, um, and use this website. Here's another thing that's interesting: the fire risk. And you can see Sunland Tahunga and all this stuff. We have had fires in this area. Um, there's, in fact, Sunland Tahunga, it was 2017 when we had a bunch of fires. And the mountain area here is, when it gets dry, it's prime, uh, kindling. And it can affect Sun Valley. So heat factor, let's see. Yeah, duh. We live in Southern California, so it's going to get hot. But I just wanted to show you this. The flood factor has been decreased over the last few years, so that's good news. And we have a minor risk um, of flooding here in Sun Valley. So, from Sun Valley with our risk assessment for floods, this is Jose Meyer saying, I will see you next time.